Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all feeling today? How are you all doing? You all are doing good? Wow, that's great. You all are feeling nice and healthy. No sleepy, no tiredness. Your minds are fresh. Yes? You all had good breakfast in the morning. Tummies are full. Yes, that's great. And your minds are also active. I hope nobody is feeling sleepy, tired, because it's morning time. So, but I hope my students must be anxiously waiting for their classes. Yes? Which class is this? Yes, this is your literacy class, and here I am, Teacher Shaista, taking your literacy class, right? Okay. Now, tell me, students, what was the topic that we did yesterday in literacy? Yes, we learned about some silent letters. And what is the meaning of silent? To be quiet, right? And there are some letters which are silent because when we read that word aloud, we will not find the sound of those, some of the silent letters, correct? And this was about the topic that we did yesterday. Now tell me, what is the name of the unit that we are doing throughout this whole week? The name of the unit that we have done throughout this whole week, the main unit. Yes, the name of the unit was wheels. We learned about different types of wheels, different kinds of wheels, and when the wheels were invented. And so this text is a fiction or a non-fiction? It's a non-fiction text because it gives you information. It tells you information about different types of wheels. Very good. This was all the recapping of whatever we did throughout this week. And in this whole week, we have also done some grammar part, some spelling words, some silent letters, right? Now today, again, we'll be doing a grammar portion. You will find it very interesting. Okay. Now tell me, class, that what are nouns? Can you describe a noun? What are nouns? Yes, nouns are the names of person, place, animal, things. Very good job. Nouns are names of person, place, animal, or thing. And we also call them, yes, we also call them naming words. Correct. Now, what are verbs? Now, this was noun. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are the action words. Very good. Verbs are the action that is taking place. Verbs are the doing word. Whatever you are doing, like what I am doing right now, I am teaching you. And what you are doing right now, you are listening. So verbs are doing words or action words. Now, you know, children, that we can also make nouns from verbs. You know how? That is what we are going to learn today, making a verb into a noun. We are going to make a verb into a noun. How we are going to do that? We just need to add either R or ER. We just need to add R or ER at the end of a verb. Okay. Now I'll show you a picture. What is this person doing? He is painting. He is painting a house. So, what do you call him? He's a painter. Now, paint, what is paint? Paint is a verb. Painting is a verb, right? And painter is a noun. Painter is a noun. Now, see, painting. Painting is a verb. And painter, Painter. What have you added here? You have added er to make it a noun. Painter is a noun because it's a name of a particular person. It's a name of a person. The person who paints, you call him a painter. You understand? Right? Have you understood like that? Great job. Now, in the same way, if I say What are they doing? They are swimming. What are these people doing? They are swimming. And swimming is again, it's a verb. Now, the person who swims, what do you call them? What do you call him actually? Swimmer. So, from swimming, it becomes swimmer, right? From swimming is a verb. Swimming is a verb and swimmer is a noun. Got it? You understood? Now what we have done, we have added er by, we have first removed ing and then we have added er, right? Okay. Now, in the same way, what is this person doing? He is riding a horse. So what is a verb over here? Riding is a verb. And how you are going to make this verb into a noun? Rider. Rider is a noun. The person who rides, you will call them rider. And what is this happening? He is riding a horse. So from riding, it becomes rider. Correct. Now what is this? He is reading. What is this boy doing? The boy is reading. So how you're going to make this into this verb into a noun? Reader. Very good. Reading will become reader. In the same way, I drive a car. I am a driver. Right. Now, you sing a song. You are a singer. I write on the board. I am a writer. So this is how you are going to make the nouns, the verbs into a noun. Now let's make sentences with some of these verbs. Okay. Now, what is the first one? Painter. The painter is painting a beautiful picture. The painter is painting a beautiful picture. Understood? Now, the next one was reading. Reader. Ali is a good reader. Ali is a good reader. Simple and easy. Now, rider. This rider is not this rider is not good, or this rider is not riding riding properly, is not riding properly. See how we have used these sentences. Yes, how we have used these words into sentences and how we have made the verbs into nouns, right? Now, what you are going to do, if you open your book and you can see on page number 64, you can see making a verb into a noun. Nouns are the names of things. We can make nouns from verb by adding r or er, like verb to farm, noun would be farmer. Now you have to do this exercise. These are a kind of riddles. Only 4 of them are there. So I'm just going to give you 7 minutes for this task and your time starts now. All right, class, time is up. Let's check out what you people have done. All right, now here, I drive a car. I am a driver. Very good. Number 2, I sing songs. I am a singer. Very good. I swim in races. I am a swimmer. Excellent. I write books. I am a Writer. Wow, very good class. So nice. That means that you know how to make a verb into noun. How to make verb into noun? By adding er. Now, as you say, as you have done, drive will become driver. Farm will become farmer. Paint will become painter. Okay, sing will become singer. Dance will become dancer. Write will become writer. Read will become reader. Then it comes, what do you say? Mm, swim will become swimmer. Then you call him um, uh, in the same way, there are other different words that you can easily make the verb into a noun. Okay. Call will become caller. Okay. In the so these are all the different nouns. These are were all actually the different verbs, and how you have made verbs into nouns by adding er or or just r. So this was all that we need to learn today. I hope you must have understood how to make a verb into a noun, and I hope you must have understood the exercise that we have done, and I hope you will be able to do the homework, which I'll be posting later on portal. The homework would be related to your workbook page, and it will be all about the same type of exercise that we have done just now in class. The same type of exercises are there in your workbooks. So I hope you all will be able to do it yourself without any help, and you all will be watching the Edworld videos. Don't forget to watch them, to subscribe them, to like them so that they'll be safe for you and you can use them. You can watch them later on. Okay, class, so have a nice weekend, but don't forget to revise whatever we have done throughout this week. Whatever we have done throughout this week, you have to revise that. Apart from the homework, you have to revise everything that we have done so that whenever I'm going to take a test, you will not have any problem. Yes, class? Okay, children. So bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye.